Yes, no tie-ins, integration, FNG, no. Or new road crossing. Any road crossing? Are you going to
No.
destroy any road? No,
No.
right? Work for height, not applicable. Structure support, not applicable. Integrity of pipe, not applicable. Integrity of ship, not applicable. Introduction of hot tapping, of course, no. So guys, this is a simple construction related job, and no major concerns we have seen in this one. The specific construction pre-assembled, no pre-assembling, precast. Are you going to use precast material? Yes, you are going to use precast material.
For the tile.
Yeah. Precast. Precast slab. Slab.
How about the fencing foundation? Vimal, any idea?
Fencing foundation also.
And foundation, right? Precast slab and foundation, okay.
Slabs and fencing foundation.
Will be used. Any challenge? Najmuddin, no major concern.
No.
Instrument, no. Soap prefabricated, no. Precast, no. Test run, no. Installation of fireproofing. You are not going any fireproofing, okay. So guys, now we are talking about site construction issues, preparing for issues that may arise. Freezing point is not applicable. This is applicable for instrument. Corrosion not applicable.
Good morning. Can you hear me?
Yeah, please.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Chairman, regarding precast, the cable, existing cable, they are having protection. So that precast, how there any planning is there? What type of precast